Hello. So we are near to the end of this current year and we're moving towards next year. So I have made the final polish for next year's planner so it will run smoothly and independently from last year's planner. So I made a few points which I can go through with you, and I got some demo planner which show you so you can visualize what I have done. So let me read through this slide first. I've removed the connection from the last year's planner. I have added the drop down rotor time and I've removed protection. I will go into it in more detail later. And for the main tab, I have removed the connection from the master tab, you know, yeah. And then I've improved the partners contract formula, which I'll show you later. And I've also improved the hyperlink link to the months. So let's go straight into it. I've darkened the people's names so you actually don't see people's names. So when you actually look at your current planner, normally you can actually select a name here, for example, shop floor, and then it will pull the data from the last planner. So what I've done is I have disconnected this formula. So after it will look like this. I've actually colored the people's names in a different color cell, but yeah. So next year's planner won't have the connection, and also I have actually put in the drop down rotor time, so that will you will see the difference. And also I have removed the protection, so now you can actually amend um, the master tab, which I think is actually quite straightforward. Yeah. So let's go on to the main tab now, shall we? The main tab, I have actually improved on the links for the months. So let's just say I've actually put in a John testing as a demo. So let's just say John testing, you wanted to look at his rota in November. So the first thing you would do is you go to November and then click onto it and you will jump to November. And then what I would do is I would do Control F and then just type in his name, test as in testing. And so that is actually the quickest way you can find a person. Yeah. So I will do that again, April. So when you go to April, it will jump back to the start again. Control F and then type in testing. So you will see John testing with the April rota here. So what I've actually done, I'll do back to the top. So what I've done is I have actually moved the all the links condensed into a pattern like this. So this is the before. So go to back to the top. Before it was one line, which I think is not as effective as two lines. And then if we actually do control add, and you can see the formula. So before, okay, control and then add, you can see all the formulas. Okay, these are all the formulas which links the master tab to the main tab. So if you have got 50 people, so if you have got 50 people, you times that by 365 and you will know how much formulas you have to make this happen. So what I've done is after, okay, I've removed all those formulas so it will run a bit quicker. Again, I will do control and then add, control add, and then you will see all these formulas, but underneath is actually um, yeah, or text. And then the final thing is the partner contractual. This one here, I've improved it, so now it will count more accurately. Yeah, so that's all the improvement I've made. Thank you very much. Goodbye.